Hi, it's Jessica from Studio Quirk. Today let's work on our skill building with flat felled seams. A great place to use a flat felled seam is when you're making jeans. To start, we're going to sew a 5/8 inch seam allowance just like normal. Press open your seam and identify which direction you want your flat felled seam to lay, and you're going to trim that side to 1/8 inch. Next, you'll take your long side and bring that raw edge up to the seam and press down firmly. Fold it over and press again. When you fold the long edge over, you want to wrap it around that shorter side, which is going to make for a really sturdy seam. At this point, I'm going to switch out my regular presser foot to an edge stitch foot. I have my needle positioned 1/4 inch away from the edge of the presser foot. Now, top stitch the length of your seam. Here's how it looks from the top and the back. Now I'm going to change my presser foot again and actually use my zipper foot. By doing this, I'm able to get a really close top stitch. Now you're going to move your needle to the left so it's about 1/16 of an inch from the edge of your seam. Remember to work slowly and take your time. Doesn't that look great? That's it for this week's skill building video. I would love your feedback in the comments. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Jessica J. Quirk.